Hello, welcome to EduCalc's online training course, Introduction to Dysgraphia. I'm Honora Wall, and we're going to talk today about the specific learning disability dysgraphia and how it affects much more than just handwriting. I'll be your presenter today. I am a 12-year educator with a master's degree in education. I'm working on my EDD in curriculum and instruction, a great passion for helping students and my fellow educators help their students, and a few books on the market as well. If you'd like more information about me or my background, you can contact me at educalcmath@gmail.com. The main thing I would like to tell you about myself is that my biggest joy comes from helping students understand that they can learn so much more than they think they are capable of learning. This background, experience, and passion drove me to open EduCalc as a training company to help my fellow educators help their students realize their potential. Hopefully, we can do this in a way that puts less strain on you. I know that as a classroom teacher, we have more than enough on our plates already. So the tips and advice I'll be presenting are designed to work with any curriculum, in any program, in every classroom. In today's course, you're going to have 7 chapters, including this one. You're going to have quizzes and activities throughout the course, and you're going to have a note-taking guide. This will help you organize your thoughts, write down key pieces of information, and jot down your ideas for how this training can impact your classroom today. If you have any technical difficulties with the class, please let me know. When you're finished, you'll find clickable links for the research and resources I used to put together this presentation. I also used my personal work with my students. So everything I talk about here, I have tested and proven in the classroom with students who have dysgraphia. There's also a certificate of completion that you can save and print when you're done. In today's course, we're going to define dysgraphia. It's so much more than having bad handwriting. It's an actual cognitive issue that falls under the specific learning disability category, and we're going to talk about why that is. We'll look at the student experience of dysgraphia. It's extremely frustrating and can really impact a student's self-esteem. We're going to look at the neurological aspects, how dysgraphia affects the brain, where it comes from, and what can be done to help students who have this disorder. We'll look at the interventions and accommodations that will help your students display to you the information they've learned in your class, whether or not they can write it down in a traditional method. We'll talk about the IEP language that is best suited for students with dysgraphia, and some of the instructional strategies you can implement today. Let's take a look at dysgraphia, the specific learning disorder that affects our ability to create and understand written symbols.